Puppy hates the light, so she's always gonna try and go this way.
Oh, Baccarat?
Yeah.
Move this arm, sweetie.
No.
We don't want to see your arm. We want to see the puppies. So that is Riedel on the left. We took pictures of him first. And then that is Marquis. Yeah. And then next one, the lighter girl is Belleek. Belleek. And then the one at the very end, that is Baccarat. Good job. And today is July the 1st, 2019. And the puppies are about a week and a half old. So the 2 boys will be available for adoption and their pictures will be posted on our website. Right, Raiden? Okay. Oh, can I see Belleek's face and can I see the puppy's face? Okay, that's Riedel. Marquis. Belleek. Oh, nice. Okay, good. And we'll take group pictures and post them.